This is how you do a cool split screen effect inside After Effects. Got our new composition. I'm going to go up to the pen tool and I'm just going to draw a cool sort of cartoony split screen. So shape 1, click off it and then draw shape 2. And I'm going to leave a nice black line in the middle. And once we've got our two shapes like this, I'm going to drag both my clips of a model onto the timeline. And using the select tool, I'm just going to adjust them. I'm going to scale this one up here so it sort of covers the bottom half like this. And then scale up the top one as well. And then on the track mat, if you don't see it, just toggle the switch mode down here. And on the track mat, just select each shape for the clips like so. And it's great because once they're sort of snapped into the clip, we can adjust it further if we need to scale it up. And voila, there we have it, a cool split screen effect. If you found this tutorial helpful, then subscribe to Astrella for daily After Effects.